Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to the series of Linux for DevOps. So in today's tutorial we are going to see the continue statement. This is a statement which we are going to use in our loops and what exactly the statement does. So the continue statement is similar to the break command that we use. The continue command is similar to the break command that we use, except that it causes the current iteration of the loop to exit rather than the entire loop. Okay, so let's go ahead and implement it so it would be easy for us to understand what exactly I'm trying to say. So for that, I will just go ahead and use our, let's go ahead and create a new script, continue, continue underscore loop dash dot sh. Okay, insert. Now let's shebang slash bin slash bash. We will create a variable named count is equal to 1. Then we will start our while loop. In this while loop we are going to mention our dollar count, that is the current value of count is less than equal to 10, sorry, less than equal to 10 space enter. So now over here we will write do, then our statement echo dollar count plus plus. Okay, enter, done. Okay, so we have completed the script of our while loop. So as this is a new script, let's provide execute permission to our continue loop script. Now let's run the script. So you can see the output is 1 to 10. Now let's make the changes to our script. So for making the changes, we will go back to our script. So over here after echo in the statements, so this is the statement part, okay, where we have mentioned echo. So in the statement part I am going to add one condition, that would be the if condition. If dollar count is equal to 6, then we will echo a command continued. Okay, continued, and then we will use our command continue over here. Okay, and we will complete our if condition that we have created, and let's save the file. Now let's run the code once again. So over here, so see, so after 5, what, suppose if you want to print some message over here, you can use that message. So what it does exactly is you can monitor some specific operation. For suppose if you are iterating through a list, and in that list if you are specifying, if you're looking for some keyword, you want to know on which line that keyword has been saved, so you can use the script where it will give you a message. It will echo the message that the script is on this line. So for example, I will now see, as you can see on, oh, sorry, function insert escape. Okay. Okay, so the cursor is over here. To be continued. at line, sorry, not line, we will write count dollar count. Okay, escape colon wq. Now let's again run it. So you can see this is going to catch the statement on the 6th count. Okay, so now what is the difference between break and continue statements for the loop? So let's go ahead. So we already have a script named break. So over here, if you see, it is going to break the loop after a specified count that we have mentioned, but in continue it is not going to break the loop. Okay, it causes the current iteration of the loop to exit rather than the entire loop. So the current iteration at that moment which is going to process, that is being exited. It is not exiting the entire loop the same way which is done in break statement. So that is the difference between the break and the continue statement. So thank you for watching the tutorial, guys. Have a great day ahead.